everything always works out in the end. I see it's just kind of a matter of how long we're willing to kind of persist with it, but everything always does. That's what I find for me for sure. But also, I guess on that, I guess if we start to think of, you got so print on demand is basically on apparel, it's basically on t-shirts. It's fascinating is because for a long time, we've always kind of told people to stay away from anything related to clothing because the amount of variations that you need, all the different colors, the amount of sizes that you actually need, and the amount of stock that you need to actually purchase. But now with print on demand, if you come up with a design idea that can be on a t-shirt or a jumper, you instantly have hundreds of variations that you could actually do, and it won't cost you anything until you sell. And actually, what you could do is if you had, let's go back to the dog example, and you had dog products, people can send you an image of their dog, and then what you can do is you can get recreated if you had a designer and get them to draw it
Yes, yeah.
on a design file.
Mm.
So basically, you're taking the image, redesigning it as a drawing, and that makes you unique now also because they can't do that from anywhere else. The actual designer that you have might have a unique style in terms of how they actually relay that image to the actual product. But yeah, it could be a good idea. You can even get the funniest memes and things like that you see online. There's a company called the Inappropriate Gift Co. I think not sure if you guys have heard of it, but it's got a really cool, funny Facebook page. They were recently basically Shark Tank. They went on Shark Tank a few years ago and they got some investment, but they're really funny. They're called the Inappropriate Gift Code. They sell their mugs for like $30, and it's just kind of like funny memes on that, and that could be a good way to get ideas in terms of what to do. But yeah, there's definitely an endless amount of ideas, which is awesome.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.